how to use FXDraw on a Moodle. To begin with, I need to have both my Moodle open, all set for editing, and FXDraw all set to go. So to create my graphic, I need to draw something. So I'm going to draw a Pascal's triangle. I then need to save it as a graphics file. I can't just paste a graphic into Moodle, it must be uploaded as a file. So we're going to call it Moodle X, or MoodX, so it's an example. And I'll save that. So FXDraw saved that file to my desktop. I need to go back to Moodle and insert an image. I'll browse the repositories, upload a file, and choose a file. So that was called MoodX. And that file's uploaded. It's all set to go. I don't need a description on this one. So I save my image, and Moodle has now placed my Pascal's triangle into my page. That's how I insert an image. If I want to edit an existing image, I need to select the image I want to edit. In this case, it's the box plot. Right click and copy the image. Change back to FXDraw, and FXDraw will find the ID in the image and load the data. That process works best for PNG files. The other file types can cause trouble because they are compressed. I can now change my image, and if I wish to upload it, I would need to upload a new PNG file to my Moodle. So that process allows me to insert and edit graphics on a Moodle. The process works exactly the same way on Windows and Mac machines.